want to set up a business and you just don't know how to go about it, probably because you don't have any money to set up? Well, I'm going to tell you how you'll be able to start up a business without having any money to start up. My name is Stress, and of course this is Success School, where I teach on passive income, online job and side hustle. Now please subscribe to this channel because I give you guys weekly upload telling you how and where you can earn money online. With that being said, let us go into today's gist. Okay, so you've been thinking of starting up a business and you don't know how to start up, or working online but you don't know how to. I'm going to tell you guys how to. Okay, there are ways you start up a business without having to, go get money from Lampo, go get money from your cousin brother or your uncle, or start begging people to invest into your business. There's a way you start up. You start up small. Okay, so now the way you do this is through drop shipping or service shipping. Okay, a lot of people don't know what drop shipping or service shipping is. Don't worry, I'm going to break it down to you guys. Okay, so drop shipping is the art of you buying and selling without having to stock up goods. This means that you'll be the middleman between the producer and of course the consumer. You just be there. So if a producer say that you can be advertising a product, whatever product that it is, and you find out that a consumer needs it, or the product you're advertising, consumer reach out to you that they need it, you are going to go get it directly from the producers and then ship it down to the consumer without having to have a stock for it. This means you can be operating online, mat to mat selling. You can be telling people about the things that you do, even if they have not seen it. I do sell perfume, oh, you understand? And they're like, oh, you do? Yes, I do sell perfume. If you need any perfume, you can let me know. And then when they need a perfume and then they let you know, you can quickly go directly to a perfume, of course, wholesale perfume store, get it, and of course, give it down to them. So this is one. Okay, or you can actually do service shipping. Now I love the service shipping. You can be posting that, oh wow, you are good at sewing, you know how to sew good clothes. Okay, and then people will bring out materials to you, and then you take it down to a real life tailor that knows how to do it so well, and then they do it for you. And then the money you added between the real life tailor and of course the consumer, whatever you had between it will be your profit. So you can actually start up a business like that before you actually find money to stock up your own clothing shop, your own clothing line, or whatever that it is that you want to do. You can actually start by that. With this, you'll be able to get customers before starting. This means you have a lot of people buying from you, a lot of people getting their services from you before actually starting your physical shop, so that when you start up you already have customers and you won't be stranded. So this is one of the way you start up businesses from scratch without having a lot of money to start up, and of course getting to build your customers line ahead. So that is it. Now you can also carry out this online. You can also go to platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and of course build a portfolio of your profile. When you do this, once you get work from other people, you will take it down to another person that is good at freelancing. So yes, of course, all you have to do is just become the middleman. So you can actually take charge. Like, okay, somebody give you work, you can say this work I want it for 150 USD, and then the person press it down to 100 USD, and then you take it down to somebody that is good at freelancing, and then of course they can do that work for you for like $80-$70, and of course whatever dollar that you have left to become your gain. So it's that simple, guys. Go to any working site, build a portfolio of your profile, upload things, get a job, give it down to somebody that is doing freelancing work. So you can actually get physical people to do your freelancing work for you. For me, I have a girl that is typing in my front yard. Sometimes when I'm too tired to do work on my own and I get typing jobs and I'm just too tired to do it, I'll go give it to her and she will help me to do it, and I'll pay her the money, and the rest will be my balance. So guys, that is it. Of course, you know that typing online and of course typing for physical is not the same. And with online, they pay me in dollars, which is once they pay me $1 now, I have 710 naira. So I can actually beat down my price in real life more than online. So I usually get good money just being the middle person. So you can actually do that as well. If you don't have any money, you are not skilled with typing, you are not skilled with online freelancing job, then of course this is something you should watch out for. So do not forget to like this video if you find any value in it. It's just us discussing, giving each other ideas on how to earn money online. Of course, I want you guys to make money. If you don't make money, it's bothering me. So I'm constantly thinking of ways I can bring to you guys that you guys will be able to earn some money online. Anyway, do have a blessed day. Like this video because it helps the video reach out to all other people. And of course, leave your opinion beneath the video. And I'll see you guys. Bye.